Hello everyone, Kuldeep here from Gestisoft. Welcome to a new video on Business Central. Today I'm going to show you how to work with document pages in Business Central. So document pages here we are going to refer to either sales orders, invoices, anything that has to do with any type of document in Business Central. And for this demo, I'm going to go through just the sales order for today, but it is going to be the same for all of the other documents that we have in Business Central. So what we're going to do here is first we're going to open a sales order. So you can either search for it in the search bar here or click on sales here and access the list of sales orders here. Once you've accessed your list of sales orders, you can go ahead and open one of them by clicking on the number of the sales order. So this is a sales order with all the information. Now, one thing that I wanted to show you was the show more and the show less options. So here you will see the first section that we have here is a general section, which has all of the general information about the client and the sales. So if you click on the show more, you will see we have other information that are displayed to you that can give you even more details about the specific sales order. And you can go ahead and click on show less if you don't want it to take up too much space in your screen, which is very important as well. Is the next is the lines. So in the lines, this is where you will have all of your items that you are selling. Now the great thing here is in the type column here, as you can see, if you click on it, you will have the option to choose other types of assets that you are selling. So right now it is set at item, but you can have a resource, you can also have a fixed asset, you can have an allocation account, you can also have a GL account. You can really play around with that in your Business Central platform to ensure that the right type of sales asset is put here. And you also have all the information about what you are selling, what is present in the sales order here. And the next thing that I really wanted to show you when it comes to the lines here is a focus option. So you can see here we have the focus mode. So if you click on that, you will have a dedicated page that is only for the lines. Now this is very useful, especially if you've got a lot of lines and it's very bulky for you to scroll down and see all the details. So this really helps you here to have a quick look at all of the information in the lines. And you can exit the focus mode by clicking it back right here. And if you go down into the sales order, you will see we have the invoice details. And again, you will see we will have the show more option here. So if you click on it, you will have even more details about the invoicing for that sales order. And if you click on the show less, it will hide some of the fields for you. Now, the shipping and billing, again, we have the show more option here, as you can see, and the show less. And then finally, we will have the prepayment section, which is usually the last section in a sales order in Business Central. Now, what happens if you click on the show more, but you don't have a specific information here? So let's say we have clicked on invoice details and we've clicked on the show more, and it's going to show us the information, but we are still not having the information that we are looking for. Let's say it is a specific information that details the invoice, and we still do not have it here. So what we can do is we can come here and modify those fields. It's very easy. You will see up here in the settings, if you click on it, you will be able to personalize your views that you for this document or any other document that you are working in with Business Central. So I do have another video that goes more into details about how to personalize and configure Business Central based on how you want to use it. The link will be in the description below. So I hope you go and see that video for yourself to get more insights on how to do that. Okay, last thing that I did to go about when it comes to working with documents in Business Central is everything that has to do with Copilot, obviously. So as we know, Copilot is going to be the central heart here in Business Central going forward. It's really going to change the way that you work in Business Central because it's going to help you accomplish more stuff in less time. So as you can see here on the right, we have the Copilot summary that has been done for us here. So this is very useful and it's usually present in all of the documents that we have in Business Central, where it will give you a brief summary on the sales order or the specific document that we are looking at. So if you are in a hurry or if you just want a quick summary, this is very useful. And if you click on the show more option here, you will see it will open the Copilot chat in Business Central where you can go ahead and ask even more information about that specific sales order or document that you have open. So really hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Go ahead and put in your comments down below if you've got any question or any other video that you want us to cover. I would be very happy to do it for you. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.